Alright, let's do a quick video. Yesterday we did some work on creating the graph view. Let's actually commit that. Because that's actually a pretty big okay, let me see real quick. Okay. Create graph service, converting links to a graph. So yeah, now I know though our graph service um um yeah, I just need to look up that thing. So what am I using again? I'm using graph viz convert to PNG. Parse bytes. So there is a parse bytes function, I guess. I wish there was docs. Well, let's see. Graph viz dot parse. Ooh, parse bytes. Okay, that's nice. And it takes. Okay, maybe I should return. I should return dot bytes instead. Okay, never. And then just change it to bytes. Okay, so perfect. We could just do gs.parse. Oh, not gs. It was graph viz.parse bytes. Now, what do I do from this? Render file. Perfect. So of course, probably don't need anything here. Oh. What do we return here? Okay, I probably will return. Shit. Okay, actually, okay, we'll do this. Create graph. Instead, though, it'll return something else. We have the buff that bytes, right? And then we'll do switch. We'll do output. Heh. Okay, this is a little weird. I don't even know what the type it should be, because I have to think about this. Yeah, because, like, my god, that's gonna be annoying. Maybe I can do as a query parameter. I could do this instead. I can do this, I can do this. Hold on. I have an idea. In our, we'll do this. Something like, output. Like that. I don't know if that's semantically good, but I think that's good enough for now, because it is important. I think, hold on. Call this. Oh god, sorry. Okay, so so we have our bytes.render that we do that, and then wait. What? Hold on. Wait, what? Hold on, I'm stupid. I didn't need to do any of this. I was overcomplicating it. I'll just return as buff.bytes. And yeah, we just render it as such. And then let me see the API.go, or actually the, there it is. Okay. I don't even need to do any of this actually. I can just directly eat this up. And I just need to add a file type. Let's just, actually I don't even need, oh yeah, I do need a file type. So let's put like, right now it's hard coded because I need to figure out a cleaner way to change that up. But I just want to test it out and then we'll fix that problem a little later. So let's try running this real quick. Bruno. Okay. SpiderNet. Get graph. Let me just remove the query parameter real quick. It's an API logo. Let's look it up. Is this file type too big? Maybe it is. Damn. Huge payload. KB? Oh no. Wish I could see the file type. Oh god. Okay, this is a fucking fail. Okay, so it did generate something, but I'm not exactly sure the reason why it's not showing correctly. I think there's, okay, I need to use the functions that I made last time, so, or like, because these are, I think the issue is this, like, I have a few errors with this. So first I need to normalize URL. We take the link dot from URL. So this is D2. Do the same here. Because I think I'm not properly. So first off, the URL link is pretty ugly, so we have to like strip it down. And then, yeah, and then yeah. Then we create node by name. I think, yep. I think we'll do by ID. So we'll do node ID. We'll do the from node dot key. Still more. Oh, okay, that's fine. Oh, what's happening here? Oh. Oh, cgraph.id. Just keep it by name. And I should set the label node1 dot set label. The from node. I don't think I'm gonna. Actually, I do need that. Yeah. Same thing here, but we use node ID here. No, the toNode dot key, and then from here create edge by name. We'll do edge ID, which takes in a from to key. So we'll do from node dot key and toNode dot key. And these are all nodes. Yeah. This should maybe we'll see if this works. If it doesn't work, then I'll try to fix it tomorrow. So we have air going on. And then let's do. There you go. Okay, it's a little better, but that is not the intended graph. But okay, we'll fix it. We'll address it later. There's probably something with the key and stuff, but we'll do that tomorrow. But anyway, see you guys tomorrow.